In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete emails from Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a message from your inbox and make sure it's gone for good, not just moved to a temporary folder. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, you'll see your mail folders on the left and your messages in the center. Click Inbox to view your current emails. Find the email you want to remove. You can scan the list, use the search box at the top to quickly locate it by sender or subject, or sort by date if that's easier. When you've selected the message, look for the trash bin icon. Clicking this icon doesn't erase the email permanently yet. It moves it out of your inbox and into deleted items, which works like a recycle bin. Next, go to the Deleted Items folder in the left sidebar. This is where messages sit after you delete them from the inbox. Locate the same email you just removed. It should appear near the top if you deleted it recently. Select it, and again click the trash bin icon. This is the permanent deletion step. Outlook will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. Click OK to confirm. Once you do, the message is permanently deleted from this folder. A few helpful tips as you work through this. The first delete is reversible because the message is only moved to deleted items. The second delete, with the confirmation, is the one that makes it permanent. If you don't immediately see deleted items, it may be labeled trash in some interfaces, but it serves the same purpose. If you're cleaning up several messages, you can select multiple emails before clicking the trash bin to save time. Also, depending on your account settings, items in deleted items may be automatically cleared after a certain period, so it's a good idea to review that folder before it empties on its own. That's all there is to it. You've opened Outlook, removed an email from your inbox, and then confirmed its permanent deletion from deleted items. Follow the same process for any other messages you want gone for good. Thanks for watching, and happy inbox cleanup.